Hello friends, Running Kimono here. In today's video, we are looking at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens till November the 30th, which is Saturday. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check. You are driving to the store and ordering all of this stuff through the Walgreens app, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. You can use coupon codes with, and sometimes the items are just a little bit cheaper that way. Alternatively, if you are a shopper that likes to be in-store with register rewards, that is in-store only, I recommend that you watch yesterday's video. I have several deals, and I will link this video at the very end. And if you're more of a shopper that wants to do stuff in store, you're like, I don't really like curbside, you can check out this video. If you could just do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, you'd really be helping me out to get the video out there so it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. I would be so grateful if you guys can take a second and like the video. Okay, so for this one, we have an extra 15% off when you spend $30 with the code BFCM15, extra 20% off a $50 order with BFCM20. They should have added more vowels in there. I also have Save 20 that was working at 20% off for a $50 purchase, and we'll investigate that in a second. I know the majority of us have two different boosters, one for dental care and this one, and I was trying to find P&G products that were working with it, and nothing was attaching and nothing was showing in the app, and I was like, until I actually looked at the fine print. This doesn't actually start till Wednesday, so it's Wednesday to Saturday, and I'll have another video with the P&G products, but yeah, hold your horses on this one. I should take my own advice. Okay, deal number 0. This is deal number 0 because I could not land the plane on this one. You're going to load this, which is a 6 off of 2. If you can't find this, just look up any Maybelline cosmetic. It should be itemized below the item in the app. Now, this quad, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's buy one, get one 50% off. So at $3.99, it's $5.98. That $6 coupon will reduce down to $5.98 and you'll get 2 for free. Unfortunately, I could not track 2 of them down, but if you can find 2 clearance Maybellines with that $6 digital, it will reduce down to cost. In store yesterday, I got both of these for 27 cents each. Again, watch yesterday's video for that, and some of it's bringing up BOGO 50% off, and some of it isn't, so you really have to pay attention when you're at the register, because in store, that $6 coupon will not reduce down, but curbside it does, so it's quite confusing. But if you can track down those gorgeous palettes, I totally would be on the lookout for those, because they are really adorable. Okay, let's talk about deal number 1. Okay, so for this deal, we're going to grab one of these Oral-B IO3s for $15.99, and there is a digital coupon that is 15 off of 1. Now, that one is a just for you, meaning select accounts have it, and if you have the same one as I, you can rock and roll and go with this deal. Unfortunately, if you don't have it, you can't do this deal. And then just to show you that $15 digital melted off, and then using Save 20, it's 20% off of $59 off. Alternatively, if you can't get Save 20 to work for you, try that Black Friday one. Unfortunately, it was kicking, Save 20 was there. I couldn't get the other one to apply. So just to show you, the overall basket is $59.99, $9 melting off. So my total of what I'm spending on this product is $50.99. Oral-B has a promotion to spend 50, get back 15, so I've achieved that. And then I have my tax and a $15 digital melting off. So with my debit card, I'm paying $39.05 because the promotion is to spend 50, get back 15 on Oral-B products. So that's why. So you're getting $15 back. I think at the very end, makes this toothbrush like $20 after everything is said and done. I have the sneakiest suspicion that P&G spend 15 get back 5 will be applying to this on Wednesday. We'll have to wait and see. If you want to wait Wednesday, possibly an extra $5 back, but what a deal for a product that's just like about $100 and you're getting it for $20. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at is a deal number 2, and for this one you can mix and match either the toilet paper or the paper towel at $3.99. Typically, these guys are $5 a pop, and these are pretty sizable. Like you're getting 6 rolls of paper towel, and then the 9 rolls of the Walgreens Soft, which is very comparable to Angel Soft in my book. But this is a whole lot of paper, so if you are not a fan of Scott, you might want to consider the Walgreens generic. I think it is just as good as the manufacturers that make these products. A basket, we're going to add 8 of them for $31.92, and there is a method to this madness. Now, if you remember at the top of the video, I was talking about the various coupon codes that you can use or discount codes that you can use, and the BFCM15 is in fact working with this toilet paper, shaving off $4.80. You're basically getting one like completely for free, which is awesome. And if you want to mix and match, absolutely go for it, but I just went with toilet paper for this example. So $31.92 for the 8, that 15% coming off, free curbside pickup and tax. So the total is $28.75. I would use $20 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay $8.75 and call this a very good deal, especially if you're going to give some of this away for Christmas. I know a lot of us gift our stockpile, or alternatively, if you're trying to build some paper for your stockpile, this is a very solid deal. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. Now for this one, we are going to just try this deal, but curbside. We're going to grab one of these razors for $9.99, and we have a $4 digital for the men's. And then for the ladies, we're going to grab the refills for the Chic Intuition. So hopefully you have that razor head to use these refills, but it's $14.99, and we have another $4 digital. Now, why I'm not grabbing 2 razors for $9.99? Because it's on a promotion of spend 20, get back 10. And this is the digital coupon that you're going to load for those refills. So just to show you, here it is, Chic, $1.70 with WAG 10 melting off. So the promotion is spend 20, get back 10. And this isn't CVS. You have to hit that $20 threshold to be awarded the $10 of Walgreens cash. No ifs, ands, or buts. So just to show you, $24.98, subtracting $1.70, I'm still at that $20 threshold. If you subtract A from B, free curbside pickup, tax, and $8 of manufacturers melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $16.68. As the promotion is to spend 20, get back 10, you have to pay with your debit or credit card for the balance, and then you're getting back 10, making this a very solid deal. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 4, and for this one we're going to be grabbing 2 of these native whole body, it's like a deodorant cream, and they are $27.98 for 2. We have this very generous 7 off a 2 digital coupon, and this is on a promotion of buy 2 get $4 back in Walgreens cash to show you 7 and then 210 melting off. And then just to show you, the overall total is $27.98, $210 melting off, a $7 digital. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it, and you're going to get back $4. So it makes it like $16 for the 2 or $8 per deodorant cream. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 5. For this one, we need our best friend loaded, which is a 5-pack when you buy 3 selected oral care products. Very selective of what you can and cannot buy for this one. So they have these really cool new floss picks for $5. So if you can grab 3 of them, go for it. Unfortunately, the inventory at my store was quite selective. So I got 2 of those and then 1 of these, just a plain old floss for $5. And we're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3. Okay, guys, so we're at $15. Subtracting that $5 digital, it's $10.90. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it, and you're going to get back $5. So essentially, it makes it like $5 for the 3. If you consider some of these fancier floss picks, not the worst deal. Okay, the final deal that we're looking at is deal number 6, and this has to do with the Hershey's Kisses. If you're a baker and you make these peanut butter blossom cookies, I even checked Big Lots, Dollar General. These smaller bags are like $4 to $5 depending where you're shopping. It's gotten very expensive because of a cocoa shortage, which is perfect right around Christmas. So this week, as part of the Black Friday deals, these bags of the Hershey's Kisses are 50% off at $3.25. This is the cheapest price you'll see anywhere, and I have looked everywhere, and right across the board, these are like $1 to $2 more depending where you're shopping, Dollar General included. So grabbing 4 of them, it's exactly $13. Unfortunately, I can't put WAG 10 into this, but if you might have like $10 of Walgreens cash to throw at this, maybe a register reward, you have 4 bags of Kisses, enough for your baking needs for the holiday season. Another thing I want to touch on before I take off is the 50% off of the Christmas Squishmallows. Perhaps a Merry Christmas to you, or if you have like, a really young child, niece or nephew, or somebody to gift for, like, maybe one or two, this would be a perfect gift. So these 16-inch Squishimals that were like almost 25 are down to $12.49. Unfortunately, I could not get a coupon code to work with it. Maybe you'll have better luck than I. But you could either do this one in store or curbside, and $12.49 is a fantastic price point. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.